welcome back. Another video on our educational series about Medicare. And this topic today is Medicare Advantage right for you? Well, that's going to take a consultation to determine that, but let me tell you a couple things. When you're turning 65 or you're going on Medicare for the first time, you really can't make the wrong decision whether you're going to go on Medicare Advantage or pick up a Medicare supplement plan. And the reason why I say that is if you choose a Medicare Advantage plan first, there's a trial right period where you can try out the Medicare Advantage to see if it's going to suit your healthcare needs. Obviously, we always make sure the medication and the doctor analysis is done to make sure those doctors are in the network of the particular plan you're looking for, whether it be an HMO, health maintenance organization, or PPO, preferred provider organization. The much of the decision is like any business decision on our health insurance needs is going to be made based upon the budget. Now, in Florida, we have most, if not all, the plans, or I'd say 95% of the plans on Medicare Advantage side are zero premium plans. You still are required to pay your Part B premium unless the state subsidizes it due to income and resources. So it's zero premium plan and then copays for the services that you use. So, and it's packaged really nice for the folks that, they find all their doctors, they're taking, some generic medication, and the primary doctor is $0 or $5 or $10, so really low exposure to the primary doctor, and they really don't see a lot of specialists yet, or don't feel like they're going to see specialists in the future, or not many. So it can work for a lot of people in the Medicare Advantage world, because then they get some dental they may not have ever gotten before. They get some vision coverage. They get a gym membership. They get some over-the-counter benefits. And so obviously all the benefits are determined by this plan specifics. And I'm not talking about the plan specifics, but those are some of the features that you'll see on these plans. In addition to that, maybe hearing aids, glasses, if I hadn't mentioned that already. So the Advantage plan is attractive. So Medicare Advantage is like Medicare you get the benefits of Medicare, but then you get the advantage of some of the additional services that Medicare doesn't offer, like I just mentioned, the dental, the vision, the over-the-counter, the gym membership, things of that nature. Also, the Medicare Advantage is focused on preventative care. So, making sure that you go to the doctor on a regular basis, at least once every 6 months. A lot of doctors want to see people more frequent than that, and maybe you already see a doctor more frequent than that because you're filling medication every 3 months. So it's all determined by, having a consultation with myself or one of my team members to find out what exactly are your health insurance needs, and then whether or not the Medicare Advantage can fit right for you. And for the first year, you're new to Medicare, you got Part B for the first time, you kind of get like a trial period where you can check it out and see. And if it doesn't work, we can always move you to a Medicare supplement plan and get a separate Part D. So please reach out and get all your questions answered. And I'm here. My cell number is on the site. Or if you feel more comfortable just emailing me, just email me your questions at Dale@MedicarePlans with an S, the number 4 US.com, and I will respond to your emails and in reference to this. And then it's always, now we're going towards more face-to-face appointments, but I've always said as an agent is whatever you're comfortable with as a client. Whether you want to do face-to-face or you rather do it over the phone, or we set up some type of Zoom call. So I'm flexible on how we do that. So Thanks so much for taking the time to watch this. And if you go to my website, Medicare Plans for US, the number 4, US.com. Thanks so much and have a wonderful day.
Thank you for watching this video. There's more to learn from our library of resources on the website MedicarePlansForUs.com. The link is in the description box below. If you would like to learn how you can get your questions answered by our Medicare specialist at no cost to you, click the link in the description box to get started today. Visit the description box for more tips on cutting your out-of-pocket Medicare costs from the Medigap Supplement headquarters,